Here's how you're going to sell a Canva template on Etsy. If you're new here, my name is Bree and I'm teaching people how to make money online, so make sure to go back and watch the other videos so you don't miss out. First, you're going to go over to Canva and create whatever design you'd like. After you create your design, you're going to go up to the share button. Once you click share, go ahead and click template link. This means when someone goes to make changes, they won't be able to change your original format, so copy the link right here. Back over to the Canva homepage and type in US letter document. Then you're going to create a simple guide of how to use your template, how to download it, etc. After you've done that, go ahead and click that text because this is where you're going to put your link in. Head on up and hit the link symbol in the corner and paste in the link for the template you just created.
How to make money on TikTok without showing your face. Easy, Google this and click this link, then sign up. Post product reviews on TikTok, and look, this account here started 3 months ago, and they already have 1.5 million followers. Every time someone buys from their link, Amazon pays them up to 10% commission.
I have $21 in my wallet. Let's see if we can use this and find $100 in profit at the thrift store today. So I usually never look at the kitchenware, but I've heard that certain mugs can actually be solid flips. I ended up finding this Mickey Mouse pants mug, which they were selling for $2, and on eBay it goes for $20, giving us a $12 profit to start things off. Then I made my way to the electronics where I completely struck out and only found this nasty used foot massager. Fortunately, the next aisle over was the sporting goods section, which I seem to have good luck in consistently. Golf clubs are some of my all-time favorite items to flip, and I struck gold today. I found these two TaylorMade R9 woods that were priced at $6.99, and they sell for over $50 each plus shipping, giving me a $40 profit per club. Now I was at $92 in total profit with $5 left to spend. I quick took a look at the shoes, but almost all these were out of my budget, so I made my way over to the toy section and ended up finding this 90s vintage Sesame Street Ernie rock and roll plush. They were asking for $4, and on eBay right now they're selling for around $18 to $19 plus shipping, giving us a $16 profit. At this point I reached my goal of $100 in profit and had $1 to spare, which I thought would be best spent on this magic Mickey Mouse towel. I figure if it's magic, it might be worth thousands someday.
What is the best Zcash cryptocurrency miner that you can get right now? I just bought one, but before I open it, let me explain what Zcash is. So Zcash and Bitcoin have the same supply, and basically the only difference between the two is that Zcash is a private chain because it hides your wallet address. So if you was doing some illegal stuff, you know what I'm saying, you'd probably use it. Anyways, let's open this bad boy. Alright, so we got our power supply, and we can see our miner right here, and we got the Antminer Z15. Very nice, pretty big. Alright, so you're probably wondering how much did this thing cost and how much does it make per day? So we got the Z15, and this thing costs anywhere from 10 grand to 12 grand depending on who you buy it from. And as of today, it makes $37 a day in revenue, $33 after electricity, which is over $13,000 per year. So yeah, it's pretty decent. And if you want to get into mining, follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post my drops where I sell some of my smaller miners because I like to get the bigger shit.
This side hustle in Detroit, Michigan makes $28K per month charging scooters. It's called a bird fleet manager. So my friend is actually in charge of taking care of over 150 bird scooters. This includes charging, dropping off in desired locations, and repairing damaged scooters. In exchange for this, you get to keep 50% of the money made by each scooter. Here's the website if you wanted to do it yourself.
I'm going to show you a side hustle anyone can do. Step 1, go to justdrop.com and click the Daily Deals tab. Step 2, pick a domain name off the Daily Deals page. For this example, I am going to use farmandtravel.com. Step 3, go to estabat.com and get the appraisal for that domain name. This one's $2,400. Step 4, go to GoDaddy Appraisals and see what they value the domain at. This one, $1,777. Step 5, go to afternick.com and list your domain name for sale. Here's proof. Pastacorner.com sold for $3,500. Here's another one I just sold for $4,600. GetTheFullStory.com. Here's another one. CryptoPop.com. I sold for $12,988.
This is my new 10 tablet income farm that I'm going to try and make money with over the next week or so. Okay, so first off, these three are cloud mining Bitcoin with a browser called CryptoTab. It's just a normal internet browser like Safari or Chrome, but while it's open, it mines Bitcoin. Next up, we've got these three larger tablets which are running an application called Current Music. This is just like Spotify or Apple Music, but while you're streaming music, you actually earn tokens. This is another pretty passive application, but the catch is that that your volume does have to be on. So I'm gonna have to put this thing in like another room or something. The next 3 tablets are all running different play-to-earn games. This one is running Cointoply, which pays you in Bitcoin for playing different online games. This one is running FunTap, and then on this one we're running Swagbucks, which has been around forever, but it's just an app that supposedly pays you for completing surveys, watching videos, and just doing normal online shopping. The last tablet, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet, so let me know if you guys have suggestions. So 6 of these tablets are generating money passively, and then the other 3 I'll remove from this case once a day and use their different play-to-earn apps simultaneously for about an hour. That's how I built my 10 tablet income farm. Okay, first things first, I had to go and actually buy 10 tablets from Walmart, and I did have to go to separate stores because they only let me buy 3 at each one. These are just cheap Android tablets, but they should be good enough to run these passive money-making apps. After I got them set up, I decided I wanted this tablet farm to look epic, so I decided to mount them in this plastic case I had laying around. It was super dusty and nasty, but I got it cleaned up pretty quick. After that, I measured and cut this trim board and gave it 2 coats of black paint. This is going to be the rail where I mount the 5 tablets on the top half of the case. The bottom 5 are actually just going to lay on the bottom for now. I may mount them at a later time. Next, I took some measurements, made some holes in the rail, and then measured and made some more holes in the case and then bolted them together. After that, I wanted to step it up a notch. I had 2 LED light strips randomly laying around from another project, and I decided to mount them on the inside of the case. I mean, LEDs do make everything cooler, right? Finally, I mounted the tablets on the top bar with command strips and then got everything wired and plugged in. Here it is all finished up. I'm stoked on it, and regardless of how much money it makes, it does look pretty cool.
DoorDashing a good way to make money. Some people say you only make like $3 an hour, so let's find out. So I got my DoorDashing kit, got some hand sanitizer, a face mask, a red card, and a nice little bag. All right, so now that we got our stuff, let's go DoorDashing for an hour or 2 and see how much we make. All right, so I drove all the way out to the suburbs where the rich white people are at, and I picked up an order from Cane's and B-Dubs. So it took me about 1 hour, and I made $7.50. That shit is highway robbery, bro. That literally doesn't even cover gas. So I'm gonna drive back to the cities and see if we can make some more money. All right, so I'm back in the cities. I want to see how much gas I use up too, so we can see how much I actually make. So I'm filling up my tank all the way. So after I'm done dashing here, I'm gonna fill my tank back up to the max and see how much we spent on gas, and then subtract that from how much we make from dashing to see our total profit. All right, I just finished 5 deliveries, and it took me about 2 hours, and I made $53, which is not bad at all. Now I'm gonna fill my tank back up and see how much I spent on gas. $5.59. So I did the math and we made about $48, which is $26 an hour. This shit is legit.
Part-time jobs that can make you $50 an hour even as a teenager without a high school diploma. Number 1, dog walker. A dog walker can make $25 per dog for an average 2-hour walk. So in order to make $50 an hour, all you need to do is walk more dogs. Number 2, student painter. Because of the crazy construction boom, student painters are in high demand. Therefore, they could ask anywhere between $50 to $75 per paint job. Number 3, TikTok content creator. Everybody and their grandmother's a social media manager, but there are very few TikTok content producers. And because TikTok is the #1 social media app in the world, businesses are looking for people just like you to create their TikTok content. Even I have a full-time TikTok producer. Due to their current high demand, TikTok producers make anywhere between $50 to $100 an hour.